Hi there, friend. Let's get cozy for a little quiet time together. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best for your body. Take a big, slow breath in and let it go out, nice and easy. Good job. Now close your eyes. We're going on a little trip, not outside, but inside. Inside you is a tiny, glowing light. It lives right in your chest, near your heart. Can you feel it? Maybe it's warm, or soft, or sparkly. That's your calm light. It's always there, even when the world feels noisy or fast. Sometimes our minds feel busy, like a bunch of bumblebees buzzing around. That's okay. Bees are just doing their job. But now we're going to help them rest. Let's take another breath in and out. Feel your shoulders soften. Feel your belly rise and fall, nice and gentle. You don't have to rush. You don't have to go anywhere. You're right where you need to be. Just like turtles move slow and clouds drift in the sky, you can move slow too. If a thought comes by, you can say, "Hi, thought." You can float by like a cloud. You don't have to hold it. Just let it go. Now, think of something that makes you feel safe. Maybe your favorite stuffed animal, a hug from someone you love, or a cozy blanket that smells like home. Let that feeling fill your whole body, from your head to your toes, like sunshine spreading warm and bright. Inside this quiet, something magical happens. You start to hear your heart whisper little things like, "I'm proud of you. I love you. You're doing just fine." And if some days feel a little wobbly, that's okay too. Even trees sway when the wind blows, but they always find their balance again. And you can too. All you have to do is breathe, feel your feet on the ground, and remember, you're growing every single day. Your calm light is always learning how to shine brighter. Take one more deep breath in and let it go. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. You did it. You just took a trip to the quiet inside. And remember, it's always there for you anytime you need it. Warm hugs, always. 817 Kids.